ज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालि कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam to the feet of Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmar Bhaktivedanta Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my same respectful Dandavat Pranam to the feet of Lila Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmar Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and present here, all of my respectful guest. So yesterday we also talk. Who is Bhagavan? Who is Bhagavan? Remember? Krishnastu Bhagavan. Krishna, he is called the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So yesterday we also discussed these things. Who is Bhagavan? He has 6 opulence. And Oisharja Samagra Birja Jasastri Gyana Vairagvaschaiva Sanna Bhava Itengana. Yesterday we also discussed the so who is Bhagavan? What is Sarup Lakshan and Sarup Lakshan and Tarsa Lakshan? Sarup Lakshan means? What do you mean Sarup Lakshan? Direct symptoms of Lord. Or Tarsa Lakshan means indirect. And here are the 6 offerings of Lord. Oisharja, Birja, Jasasri, Gyan and Vairagya. And Oisharja means who has vast of opulence. Oisharja. Birja, he is very powerful, one who controls to everyone. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Indra, all these also are controlled by Lord. So this is called Sri. Sri means beauty. Samagra is Samagra Vaisarja Virya Jasa. Jas means his name, fame and reputation. Sri means his beauty. Jasa Sri or Gyan means knowledge, transcendental knowledge. So in this verse, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, this is Sri. Sri is called, who is Bhagavan, is Sri, beauty, unique and unparalleled. This is called the Sarup Lakshan. You understand? Sarup Lakshan means, what did he say? Internal symptoms. One is called Sarup Lakshan, another is called Tadastha Lakshan. Direct and indirect symptoms. So, Sarup Lakshan, direct symptom of Lord. His beauty is unique and unparalleled. Or others, they are called indirect symptoms of Lord. Remember this thing. You learn this verse or not? So when you learn, Vaisarja Samagrasya Virja Jasasri Jnana Vairagyochaiva Sanna Bhava Itingana. If you don't know, learn this verse, then you cannot cut the Mayavadi philosophy or Sahajasati. So, who is Bhagavan? Who is Bhagavan? He has 6 opulence. Just to Vaisarja Samagrasya Virja Jasasri Jnana Vairagyochaiva Sanna Bhava Itingana. This verse is very important. And internal symptoms of Lord, that is Sarup Lakshan, who is Bhagavan. His beauty is unique and unparalleled. Yes. And others opulence, that is called his external symptoms. So internal symptoms, 1. His beauty, unique and unparalleled. Yesterday I told, how's beautiful form of Lord Krishna. But who is Krishna? When we discuss about Krishna, Gaudiya Siddhanta is very minute. One is called Bharinandan Samsundar Krishna, that is Vrindavan Krishna. Another is called Muthuradhis Krishna. Or third, Dwarkadhis Krishna. So 3 Krishna is now. He is one, but he inconceivable potency manifested in many forms. So just he also explained this. His 3 types of his also dham, Trividha dham. Dwarka, Mathura and Vrindavan. You write down, how you will forget. Every time you will say, or every time you will forget. This is very important. Yesterday I told, many times I told, but you are not listening. Listening means is what? Remember. Listening and keeping your heart. Otherwise, listening these ears and going out these heart. Going this other ear. Understand? Yesterday she told there are 3 types of dolls. One doll is how many dollars? $5. Another doll? $500. Or another? $5,000. What is the difference?
First one, there's no ear hole is not even there, right? It's
First doll, $5 doll, ears is there, but no hole. So $5. Or second, hole is there, everything is there, ears is there, hole is there, but not going down. That means enter in these ears and coming out this. That is how many cost that doll? 500. Or the $5,000 that doll, the 2 years, hole is everything, but going down. That means is what? And if you listen, then you have to remember, keep your heart. Other listen this year and go out this, nothing. So just as it is, 3 Lord's 3 vidhas is dham, 3 types of his dham. Dwaraka, Mathura and Golok Vrindavan. Vrindavan Krishna. Lord, he resides his own dham. What is he resides? In his own dham. Dwarkadhis Krishna, he resides in Dwarkapuri. Everybody call him Dwarkadhish. What is called? Dwarkadhish means with the supreme controller of Dwarka. Dwarkadhish Krishna. Mathuradhish Krishna. And Krishna is the controller of Mathura. Everybody called him Mathuradhish Krishna. And he is called Devaki Nandan. Or Mathura Nath. What is called? Mathura Nath. Nath means master. Who is the master of Mathura? Mathura Nath. Dwarka Nath. Who is the master of Dwarka? For this is the Dwarka Nath. Nath means master, controller. There are many meanings in Sanskrit word, many synonyms. So now coming in this or another is called Vrindavan Krishna. Varinandan Samsundar. So just now we will heard Krishna is one, but he has many expansions. Especially we discuss about 3 expansions. Vrindavan Krishna, then Dargadhis Krishna, then Mathuradhis Krishna. His dham also again explained this way, called the Purna. Purna means complete. Mathura, Dargadham is called Purna. Purna means complete. Or Dargadham, Mathuradham is called Purna, more complete. Vrindavan is called Purnattama Dham, and most complete is Dham. Gaudiya Siddhanta very minute. You have to listen this. So now we also discuss about Krishna's 3 dhams and 3 his form also. Vrindavan Krishna, he always lives in Vrindavan. Vrindavan Krishna. His name is called, what is his name? Jasodanandan and Syamasundar. Yesterday I told one great and philosopher. He also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I gave many commentary and about Krishna Nam and Krishna Bhaksha. Then Mahaprabhu smiled. Mahaprabhu told, I know only the 2 names of the explanation of Krishna. Krishna. What is that? Jasodanandan Samsundar Imatra Jani. Krishna namer bahu vyakha kabu nahi suni. Jasodanandan Samsundar Imatra Jani. Mahaprabhu very humble told. Origin Krishna, they got Jasodanandan or Syamasundar. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj, or because Jasodanandan, son of Mother Jasoda. And he is called also Syamasundar. And then Jai Jai Syamasundar Madan Mohan Vrindavana Chandra. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Rasbihari Sri Gokulananda. Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Jai Jai Syamasundar Madan Mohan Vrindavana Chandra. Jai Jai Syamasundar Madan Mohan Vrindavana Chandra. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Jai Syamasundar Madan Mohan Vrindavana Chandra. Jai Jai Syamasundar Madan Mohan Vrindavana. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Ras Bihari Sri Gokulananda. Jai Radha Ramana Ras Bihari Sri Gokulananda. Jai Jai Raseswari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra. Jai Jai Raseswari Jai Jai Lalita Visakayadi Jata Sakhi Vinda. Jai Jai Lalita Visakayadi Jata Sakhi Vinda. Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananga. Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananga. Jai Jai Purnamasi Jugamaya Jata Viravinda. Jai Jai Purnamasi Jugamaya Jata Viravinda. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Very nice people. His name is called also Govinda. Go Vindetiti Govinda. Gang Vindetiti Govinda. And he is very expert to speak very sweet, eloquent words, enchanted the heart of the gopis. And he performed sweet lila, amorous pastimes with the gopis in Vrindavan. For this regard, his name is called Govinda. Go means also cows. Go means gopis. Go means Vedas. Go means Brahmanas. There are many synonyms of go. Vindayati anandayati. He gives pleasure to all the Brajavasis. For this his name is called Govinda. So now coming in this way, his in Vrindavan, his origin name, that is called Syamasundar Jasodananda, son of Mother Jasoda. Everybody calls Jasodananda. Jasodananda son Sundar. His name is called Sam. Very nice, beautiful. So Krishna's Trividha Dham, 3 types of Dham: Vrindavan Dham, Mathuradhish Dham, Mathura Dham, and Dwarkadhish Dham. So Vrindavan Krishna always he remains in Vrindavan, apart from sweet Leela, with his associates, which his associates in Vrindavan, Gopis and Pisali Gopis. They are the eternal associates of Krishna. And Krishna always always performing sweet Leela with the Gopis. Though Krishna's many sweet pastimes in Vrindavan, but the topmost is Leela, that is called Rasa Leela. Chayo Jalo Rasa Sarvo Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhave Jatha Brajiti Prachar. He performs sweet Rasa Leela. And Gopis, they also served Krishna with their Paramur mood, Parakiya Bhav. This Leela is going on this. Because without Paramur mood, Lord can't to perform Rasa Leela. So Gopis, their mood is called Aradha Bhagan Braja Taddhama Vrindavana. Brahma Kachit Upasana Braja Badhu Varganja Kalpita. Braj Gopis. Braja Badhu. They use this word, Braja Badhu. They married young girls of Vrindavan. They worship to Krishna with their highest Paramal mood. Brajabadhu Varganaja Kalpita. And this highest Paramal mood, Gopi's highest Paramal mood, has described in Srimad Bhagavatam. Because Srimad Bhagavatam is Praman Amalam Prema Pumartma. Srimad Bhagavatam gives the evidence. Because Srimad Bhagavatam is called the spotless Purana. Amala Purana Srimad Bhagavatam. Amal means spotless Purana. Very nice. Aradha Bhagavan Brajasatana Taddham Vrindavanam Ramma Kachi Dupasana Brajabadhu Varganaja Kalpita. Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Amala Prema Pumartama. And Brajagopi, this is the highest prem, love towards Krishna. For this regard, all the devotees of Lord, they are hankering how to receive on the sprinkle mode of the Brajagopis. Uddhav, Siva, Narada, Brahma, all they are hankering how to receive the one the sprinkle mode. Not possible. जो ब्रह्म सुख नारद भीष्म लक्ष्य रालकी तो नस पुरुष सतस सद्दो बसगुण चूर्ण अनंत सत्यम राधिका चरण रेणु अनुस्मरामि. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in his Granth Radha Rasudan be glorified. जो ब्रह्म सुख नारद ब्रह्मा जी सुख देव गोस्वामी है, ब्रह्म सुख नारद, जो ब्रह्म सुख नारद भीष्म है, भीष्म पितामह. So जो ब्रह्म सुख नारद भीष्म लक्ष्य रालकित नस पुरुषोत्तम. Krishna, who is called the Supreme Personality of God, is Swayam Bhagavan. They want to take darshan to lotus feet of Krishna. Brahmaji. Brahmaji tried to meditate the lotus feet of Krishna. But sometimes Krishna's lotus feet manifested in the heart of Brahma, or sometimes not. Understand? Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande Jaddapi Samadhisu Vidirupi Pasati Natava Nakagra Maricham. That this verse. Brahma's heart is very neat and clean. Brahma is not ordinary person. He tried to meditate the lotus feet of Krishna in his neat and clean heart. But sometimes Krishna's lotus feet manifest in his heart, sometimes not. Jaddapi samadhisu vidirupi pasate natava nakhagra marishi. But what will say to Krishna's lotus feet manifest in the heart of Brahma? Sometimes very difficult to manifest Krishna's effulgence from his toenails. Not so easy. All their hankering had to take darshan to beautiful form of Govinda. So Krishna, Bhajanandana Samsundar Krishna. So saying, Jo Brahma Supranad Visma Luksi Lalakita Nasa Purusa Satas Saddova Suna Churno Ananta Saktim Tam Radhika Charna Renu Unusmarami. But Srimati Radhika, she can control to Krishna with her transcendental divine love. She controlled to Krishna. Nirantarang Vasikrita Pratiti Nanda Nandane Kadakari Sasyamam Kripa Kataksha Bhaja. Radha Kripa Kataksha. Just Srimati Radhika's romantic sidelong glance, Krishna completely controlled. Venu Karanita Paditam Brashtancha Pita Basanam. When Srimati Radhika said, did man, just the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, Krishna body start to shake, trembling. Then Venu Karanita Paditam. The Krishna's flute automatically fall down from his hand. Venu Karanita Paditam. Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. Krishna's yellow garments also falling down. Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. Venu Karanita Paditam. Brashtancha Pita Vasanam. Jasya Kataksha Saraghatin Vimurchitadas. Not only this, also Krishna's body start to shake. Krishna cannot control himself. Then Krishna also falling down and completely fainted. Look at this. Jasya Kataksha Saraghatin Vimurchitadas. Tam Radhika Charna Renu. What is it called? Anus. That is saying in this way. How will serve to Krishna this way? So just I also explained this. Vrinandan Samsundar Krishna. Jasodanandan Samsundar. And he always remains in Vrindavan. His another two expansion that is called Dargadhis Krishna and Mathurahadhis Krishna. Dargadhis Krishna, he remains in Dwarkapuri with his queens. How many wives? 16,108. Look. And also many children. And one queens, 10 sons and 1 daughter. So you calculate in Dwarkapuri. How's Krishna's big family? Only Krishna's family. Understand it? 16,108 queens. And one queen also 10 sons and one daughter. How many? 11. And also many also grandchildren also there. Then cannot imagine how is beautiful Dargapuri also there. Big family. Vaikuntha Janitu Vara Daravatta. Jatra Khelati Prabhu Sodoro Atmaja Brita. Vaikuntha Janitu Vara Daravati. Dargapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. Why? Because Krishna performs sweet household lila in Dargapuri. Rukmini, Satyabhama, Nagarajita, Mitravinda, many queens are there. All the queens of Darga, they are very beautiful and attractive. You cannot imagine. Uddama Bhava, Visuno, Malaval, Guhasa, Vidapalokana. All the queens of Darga, Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are not ordinary queens. Understand? How they are beautiful form. So saying this, Uddama Bhava, Visuno, Malaval, Guhasa, Vidapalokana. All the queens, they are expert or different kinds of art. Art, understand? They are very expert, different types of art. What kinds of art? Nitya Kala. They are very expert to dancing. Sangeet Kala. Sangeet Kala? Singing. And playing different instruments. You cannot imagine this. How they are beautiful form also. So saying Uddama Bhavo Pisuno Malbal Guhasa Vidavo Lokana. In Dargapuri, the queens, how they are beautiful, they are activity. But these queens, with their these types of activity, they cannot completely captivate the heart of Krishna. But in Vrindavan, gopis, just their romantic sadhana glands, they captivated the heart of Krishna. Why? Maybe a question will come. Why? The queens of Daruga, they are very beautiful. They are expert all kinds of art. Art, understand? Different. But they cannot completely control to Krishna. Because love is different types of love. You can control to Krishna with love. But which love? These are question mark coming. So now also explain this. One is called, and in Mathura, their love in the heart of, what is his name? Kubja. That is called Sadharani Gati. Dwarka, in Dwarka, the queens of Dwarka and Rukmini, Satyabhama, in their heart, their love towards Krishna, that is called Samanjasarati. Or in Vrindavan, gopis, in their heart, their love is called Samartharati. These things are for this regard, in Vrindavan, gopis, they are very easy to control to Krishna. So these things are very important. Love is very important. But what kinds of love? Different types of love also. That is called love of prem. In Vrindavan also, Sakka prem, Vatsala prem, and Madhurja prem, Singarosh. Subal Siddham, they control to Krishna with their Sakka prem, not completely. Mother Jasoda, she controls to Krishna with her parental love and Vatsala bhav, also not complete. But gopis, they control to Krishna with their which love? Madhurja, Singarosh. This type of. So just we also discuss these things. Vrindavan Krishna always he remains in Vrindavan. Krishna says, Vrindavanam parityajam padagacchano gacchami. I never go out one step from Vrindavan. Eh? Vrindavan mo jivanam, Vrindavan mo hidayam. Vrindavan is my heart. Vrindavan is my life. Eh? Look at this. So Vrindavan Krishna. And especially Srimati Radhika. She always staying with Krishna. You cannot separate so her from Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Or where is Radha? There is Krishna. Eh? Radha Krishna ekai sarup. Leela ras asaditi dhari dhuiru. Radha Krishna is one. But when they perform Leela, manifested two forms. Radha and Krishna. Krishna and Radha. Eh? Krishna is called Saktiman. Srimati Radhika, she is called Sakti. Sakti Maturdayur Aveda. There are no difference between Sakti and Saktiman. Radha Purna Sakti. Krishna Purna Saktiman. Dui vastu ved nahi sastira praman. There are no difference. Sakti and Saktiman. Where is Krishna? There is Jatra Jatra Radha Tatra Krishna. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. Or where is Krishna? There is Radha. Eh? Sometimes it's visible or sometimes invisible. Like a Murta and Amurta. This is the idea. Leela is going on this. Vrindavan. Sweet Leela, Madhur Leela. Nitya Leela is going on this. Vrindavan Krishna. And Krishna manifests his topmost, his unique topmost form in front of Srimati Radhika, especially in Rasa dance. This thing. Same Rama Ramanam Sundurata Varishta Sundurja Mahita Samasta Jagat Janasya Shamasya Bama Vaddha Kadatunam Tam Indra Brahma. Rupa Goswami composed these verses, especially in the Ras dance. Srimati Radhika's form is unique and unparalleled. In the same way, Krishna also manifests his form in there. For this regard, Jugal Judi Sarkar. How is beautiful form. So Prem is there. In Vrindavan, that all these Prem complete, absolutely manifested. So coming in this way, and sometimes Krishna releases and what is called Milan Ras, and sometimes Virha Ras. Milan means meeting, mellows, or sometimes also separation, Virha Ras. This is going on this. It's beautiful. Because without Vipralambha, Milan Ras meeting will be not realizable. Nabina Vipralam Sambhoga Pushti Masnate. For this regard, Yogmaya, she arranged this way. Virha and Milan. Virha means separation. Milan means meeting. Meeting and separation. Separation, meeting is going on this way. Very nice, beautiful this place is. Golok Vrindavan. Vrindavan Krishna. And Srimati Radhika, she also had two expansions also. One is called Samyogini Radha, another is called Viyogini Radha. Very nice. So this types of Leela is going on there. Vrindavan Krishna. So now we also discuss about Krishna Trividha Dham, Dwarikapuri, Mathurapuri and Vrindavan. And this Leela is going this. And Krishna's topmost Leela, that is called Vrindavan Leela. Krishna Jatak Khela Sarvattam Naralila Narabapu Tahara Saru. Gopavi is Benukor, Navakisor, Notawar, Naralila Hoy Anurup. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Krishna, who is called the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Saint Bhagavan, he manifests many forms. He has many incarnations. This is true. And Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka, Mathura, and many incarnations is there. He performs sweet Leela in this. And all these incarnations not different from him also. Ramadi Murtisu Korani Minutistan Nana Avataro Mukurod Bhuvanesu Kintu Krishna Sang Paramahota Para Parama Pumanaju Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Ram Nisima Kulki Baraha. Different incarnation. All they manifested from Krishna. And all these incarnation also non different from him. So this Leela is going on this. So just I also explain this way. The Krishna, he performs sweet Leela. Different types of devotee, they want to take darshan to Lord. You understand this? So Krishna Tattva is very beautiful and sweet also. So you also discuss this. Vaikuntha Janitu Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Rasotsavad Vindaran Madarapani Aravana Tatrapi Govardhana Radha Kunda Myapavi Gokulapati Premam Rita Plavanat Kurjat Asa Virajutu Tate Virajutu Giri Tate Sebang Vivaki Noka. Rupa Goswami Bhat compared these verses also. Vaikunthat Janito Vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri means Mathura. Mathurapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. But Vrindavan is higher than Mathura. Why? Because Krishna performs sweet Ras Leela in Vrindavan. Then again also explain Giriraj Govardhan, Vindarana Mudarapani, Ramana Tatrapi Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Why? Though Krishna performed sweet Raslila in Vrindavan, that Raslila is called Saradiya Raslila. What time season? Rasalila. And also that Ras is called Panchayati Ras. Panchayati, many kinds of gopis assembled in that the Ras. Understand this? Different, all kinds of gopis they assembled in Vrindavan Ras. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha, Sweet Paksha, Shruti-chari, Muni-chari. Then all kinds of gopis they assembled. That for this regard, that Vrindavan Das Rasla is called Panchayati Ras. What is it? Panchayati Ras. All kinds of gopis they assembled. Krishna performs sweet Leela, Rasa Leela in Vrindavan. It's true. But Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Why? Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights. And he protected all the Brajavasis from the disturbance of Indra. And Indra tried to destroy the Braj. 7 days, 7 nights. And Indra, he gave order to the Samvartak and cloud Samvartak made to destroy the Braj. But Krishna, he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. How many days? 7 days and 7 nights. And with his left hand and small finger. So Giriraj Govardhan. And not only this also. And Krishna performs Rasa Leela on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. That Rasa Leela is called Basantik Rasa Leela. And spring season Rasa Leela. Understand this? Very nice, beautiful this. And that Basantik Rasa Leela has described in Srila Git Govindam. Pardon? And Jayadev Goswami Pad has described very nice, beautiful that Rashlila, Basantik Rashlila. And very beautiful this Katha is there. And on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, one place is called also Chandra Sarovar. Where Rashlila Katha is. And another also Giriraj Govardhan, 2 eyes. That is called Radha Kunda and Sama Kunda. So many glorification about Giriraj Govardhan. This is true. All our Goswamis, they are very humble and praying, glorified to Giriraj Govardhan. That's Giriraj Govardhan. Nija Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanam. Raghunath Das Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, all our Goswamis, they are very humble and glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. Sanatana Goswami Pad, Brihadvadatamritam, also glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. What is it? Just I remember the word. Giriraj Govardhan is called Achala Guru. Achala Guru means non-moving Guru. One Guru is called moving Guru, or another is called Achala Guru. You heard or not? Very nice, beautiful Katha. Explain this. Giriraj Govardhan is Achala Guru. So Giriraj Govardhan, in Srimati Radhika, she herself also glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. Antaya Udri Avala Hridasu Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasa Kandra Kanda Mole Antaya Udri Avala Hridasu Varjo Jad Ram Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamolai. Srimati Radhika, she glorified our Giriraj Govardhan. The Sakhis, we cannot meet with our beloved Krishna. So it is better, have to take shelter Giriraj Govardhan. Anta Udri Avala Haridasu Varjo. Srimati Radhika, she told, though there are many, the servants of Krishna, Giriraj Govardhan is called the topmost servant of our beloved Krishna. For the Haridasu Varjo. Because Giriraj Govardhan, he serves all kinds of rasas in there also. Santa Dasa, Sakha, Vatsal, Madhuji, all kinds of rasas, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves. So it's called Haridasu Varjo. And not only Giriraj Govardhan, he gives flowers, fruits, and creates many kinds of waterfalls, eh, especially in summertime when the water coming down from Giriraj Govardhan, very cool water. And winter time, also water very nice, eh, warm water coming. Look this. Giriraj Govardhan he gives shade also, shelter, and especially summertime. Krishna with his friends and cows taking rest on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And Giriraj Govardhan he creates many also caves. Caves understand? Eh? So all the gopis they perform sweet amorous pastime in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. Leela explained this. Eh? If you go Giriraj Govardhan, you can see there. Eh? Krishna he plays one types of what do you call stone that is called Bhajan Sila. What is it? Bhajan Sila. Bhajan Sila. Just to touch, then sound coming. As like you play the sitar guitar, then once, then jin jin. Very nice, very still also in there. Giriraj Govardhan he gives many kinds of also perfume. Like this. Gopis they taking that the perfume and decorate to Krishna with very nicely in this. And Sugandha Silai, Giriraj Govardhan manifest very nice, beautiful, sweet fragrance. And just you put the water in that the Sila understand? Stone, and rub your hand, then sweet also. Fragrance coming. And 7 days your hand will be a sweet fragrance. Still also that kinds of Sila is there also. And Sugandha Silai. Hello. Have you seen or not? Just put water and Giriraj Govardhan he creates many kinds of also forest. Radha and Krishna gopis they perform sweet leela. So Hantai Vadri Avala Haridasu Varja Jad Ram Krishna Charna Sparsha Pramod Manang Tanati Sahago Pugani Paniya Sujava Sakandra Kandamuli. Giriraj Govardhan he gives many kinds of fruits also. Kandamul. Kandamul understand? The roots. Kandamula. Have we eat or not? Have you been in India? No. And people they also selling big and can eat this time. Look like what is called cassava. There big also. The Raj Govardhan. Many kinds of flowers. Gopis they make the flower a garland with the flowers and decorate Krishna, cows, different. And this type of especially different when the festival coming, then gopis they decorate the cows with the flowers and different kinds also. What is called ornaments. Giriraj Govardhan. Because Radha Kunda is topmost place. Understand? Because Radha Kunda is not different from Srimati Radhika. Radhar Mahima Jani Krishna Radha Kundir Mahima Jani Radhar Mahima. The glories of Srimati Radhika not different from Radha Kunda. And no one, only those who are the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they can go that Kunda, Radha Kunda. Everybody cannot go. Jog mein stop. Jatila Kutila sometimes they come in Giriraj Govardhan, but Radha Kunda, no one. Only those who are the Sapaksha gopis. Sapaksha means those gopis that incline towards Srimati Radhika. Sapaksha gopi they can go. Yog may allow. And this Radha Kunda decorated very nicely. Chintamani Radha Kunda Tata Tahi Kunja Sata Sata Prabalo Vidrumo Mayatoru Lata Mukta Fale Abonata Mukta Fale Abonata Mukta Fale Abonata Tahi Kunja Sata Sata Radha Kunda. 8 corners of Radha Kunda. Ashtakon, Radha Kunda. Ashtakon, 8 corners of Radha Kunda. 8 Sakhis, Kunja is there. Lalita Devi's Kunja, name is Lalita Devi's Kunja, name is called Lalita Nanda Kunja. Visakha Devi's Kunja, name is called Visakha Nanda Kunja. Different, all Sakhis' name is there. And Jogmaya decorated that the Kunja. Very nice, beautiful. If you see that the Kunja a little bit far away, there is one lotus blossom, different colors also there. You cannot see the Kunja is there. Just one big lotus blossom. But when you go inside, how beautiful they decorate. Lalitananda Kunja, Visakhananda Kunja, Champolata's Kunja. Different gopis, Sakhi, Ashtasakhi's name, according to their name, or their Kunja's name is there also. Radha and Krishna, they perform sweet Leela is there. And also many Sakhis, Manjaris, they are also, they are different kunjas. So the Sata Sata Kunja, Chintamani Moy, Radha Kunda Tato, Tahi Kunja Sata Sata. Not only one, many kunjas is there. At the middle of Radha Kunda, one kunda is called Kangan Kunda. What is it? Kangan Kunda. Kangan means Bengal. Inside of the middle. And because Srimati Radhika, she made this kunda with her Bengal. So that kunda's name is called Kangan Kunda. Very nice, beautiful place. And that kunda, that also in the middle of Radha Kunda, that is one very nice, beautiful kunja is there. That is called Ananga Manjari's Kunja. Look at this. A beautiful place is there. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. What is Kunja? Sananda Sukhada Kunja. And that Kunja, only Srimati Radhika and her Sukhiji to go. In the middle of the Kunja, middle of the Radha Kunda, so how will go? And that time Jogmaya arranged very nice, beautiful one bridge. That time they can go. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. What is his name? Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Radha Krishna. They perform sweet and amongst pastimes in India. That Kunja name is called Ananga Manjari's Kunja. It's beautiful, this Katha. Radha Kunda. So for this here, the Kurjat also Virajatu Giritati Sebam Vivekinaka. Radha Kunda Mehope Gokulapate Pemam with Plavanat Kurjadas Virajatu Giritati Sebam Vivekinaka. Oh, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. They say, Govardhan hoite seshta Radha Kunda tata Premamrite bhasailo Gokula lampata Govardhana giri tata Radha Kunda chari Annatra je kare Nija kunja pushpa bari Nirbodh tahar samo keho nahi ar Kunda tiri sarvottam sthana premadhar. So Radha Kunda, Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. always remember this. Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira Orvata Jamunati Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira Orvata Jamunati Saromaya Manasaganga Holy Nanandini Vamsi Bhatta Gokula Hira Samira Vrindavana Taru Latri Bhavani Khagami Gakula Malaya Batasa Mayura Brahmara Venu Sringapada Chinname Gomala Basanta Sankha Karata O Jugala Vilase Ghanukula Jani Jugala He Radha Vilasaka Udipaka Mani Radha Vilasaka Udipaka Mani He sab छोड़त कहीं नहीं जाऊं ये सब छोड़त ये सब छोड़त प्राण हराऊं ये सब छोड़त भक्ति विनोद भय सुनो कान भक्ति विनोद ओ भक्ति विनोद भय सुनो कान भक्ति विनोद दीपक हमार परान दीपक जय भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद जय श्री भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय 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 okay what is your time now huh 9 o'clock okay now take prasad then prepare to go
Yes.
okay good